telaHosting, how to add Mailchimp or SendGrid SPF and DKIM records in cPanel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add SPF and DKIM records for Mailchimp or SendGrid in your cPanel DNS. If you're using either of these services to send newsletters or marketing emails, these records are essential. Without them, your emails are far more likely to land in spam or get rejected entirely. Let me quickly explain what these records do. SPF tells receiving mail servers that Mailchimp or SendGrid is authorized to send emails on behalf of your domain, and DKIM adds a digital signature to every email you send, proving it actually came from you and wasn't tampered with in transit. Together, SPF and DKIM are the foundation of a good email deliverability. The first step is to log into your cPanel, and once on the dashboard, scroll to the domain section and click on Zone Editor. Find your domain and click Manage. This is where you add all the records. Let's start with the SPF record. If you're setting up Mailchimp, click Add Record, choose TXT, set the name field to your domain name and paste this value, then save it. If you're setting up SendGrid instead, the value to paste is this, then save. It is important to note that you should only ever have one SPF record per domain. If you need to authorize both Mailchimp and SendGrid, or you already have an existing SPF record, you must combine everything into that single record rather than creating separate ones. 2 SPF records will break email authentication. Now let's add the DKIM record. For Mailchimp, you will add 2 CNAME records. Click Add Record, choose CNAME, set the name to k1._domain key and the target to this, then save. Repeat for the second record. Save that too and you're done with Mailchimp DKIM. For SendGrid, the process is similar, but you will have 3 CNAME records and the exact values are generated inside your SendGrid account when you set up domain authentication. Get all these 3 from your SendGrid dashboard and add them one by one in cPanel using the same CNAME process, and save after adding. Once your records are in, go back to your Mailchimp or SendGrid dashboard and use their domain authentication or domain verification tool to confirm the setup. DNS changes typically take a few minutes to 24 hours to propagate, so don't worry if the verification doesn't pass instantly. Just check back after some time. A few things to watch out for. Typos. They are the #1 cause of DKIM failures, so copy the record value carefully rather than typing them manually. Make sure you always click Save after adding each record. And if you're ever using multiple email services, always merge their SPF entries into one single record. And that's how you add Mailchimp or SendGrid SPF records in cPanel's DNS. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video to friends who need telaHosting services. Also, click the subscribe button for more tutorials like this. See you in the next video.